Okay, let's look at this next one. Cindy has 2 nickels, 3 dimes, 1 quarter, and 5 pennies in her purse. How much money does Cindy have? Okay, so I don't have any coins here that I can do little hairy money on, and I don't have any coins in front of me like fake coins. You may have some money at home, and you are more than welcome to use those to help you count. But if you don't, and if you're not able to access that, how I want you to solve a problem like this is we're going to draw them out again, okay? So you have a piece of paper at home that you can use. And a pencil or a crayon or a marker or something to write on. And then, or you have a whiteboard or you have a notebook. You guys all got these school supplies in your backpacks when we dropped off our Chromebooks. So I'm going to draw out these coins and I'm going to put the amount that they're worth in the coin. So my first coin is a nickel and it's 5 cents. And I'm using my mouse to draw, so they're not going to be super pretty, okay? I have my 2 nickels. I have 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. And my dime, they're worth 10 cents. Now remember, if you're not remembering how much each one is worth, you can go back up to the top and I have this, and this is going to help you, okay? All right, so I have my 2 nickels, my 3 dimes, my 1 quarter. I drew my quarter a little bit bigger because it is the biggest coin that we have in size. And then I'm going to draw my 5 pennies, I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a penny is just 1 cent. So that's easy to do. Now I can use hairy money to count my coins, okay? So let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Now remember, this is just 1, so this was 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. She has 70 cents. Okay, so sometimes you'll see 70 cents like that, or you could do like this. Or you could write 70 cents. Okay? So that is how you would solve a problem like this. You have one very similar to this on the next slide.